back. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, we build log cabins and summer houses, and today we're in Northampton and we've got something slightly smaller than what we usually do. What we usually do and what we're doing right now is we've got a couple of big projects up north where it's grim. We've got some nice weather, little 3x3. I'm going to do a full breakdown of the price at the end. I'm going to tell you the thickness, what roof covering we've used, what insulation we've used, and where you can get one of these from, most importantly. So make sure you watch to the end to see that full breakdown. We've got some foundation barrels to put down, so let's make a start on that and see how much of the building we can get up today, because we've only got half a day. We've already done the base, that's took us half a day, and we've got the other half of today to try and get it up. So let's get it up.
Where have you got that mug from?
The link in the description.
Well, how come mine's got a white mallet then and yours got a gold mallet?
Because these ones are limited edition and there's not many of them left, so they'll need to be quick. As with everything, it's all about the organisation, so that's what me and Ben are doing. We're going to organise all of the logs, set up there, right where we need them, and then we can just throw it up, essentially. Organisation.
Fake reality. Better days will never come for me. Trapped inside a fake reality. Better days will never come for me. How can I be honest with myself when I'm always playing someone else?
You'd think that after 15, 16 years of building these that I'd learned to wear a pair of gloves when it comes to gluing down the EPDM on the roof. And on the subject of EPDM, what's been used is a WBA roof deck adhesive. This comes as a kit which we bought from Rubber for Roofs in Coventry. I'll leave a link in the description so you can have a browse and get a kit if you need one. Americans watch this channel, and I know you do, and a lot of you say you should be using the contact adhesive, which is applied to both surfaces and then mated. In the UK, we use a deck only adhesive, which just gets glued directly to your roof surface, which in this case is OSB 3. You can use ply, either, they both work. We've applied that with a 9-inch roller, liberally, because today's the hottest day of the year in the UK, it's about 23 degrees, it's very hot. 9-inch roller, apply liberally. That'll make sure that you've got plenty of working time to sweep the air bubbles out, which you'll see I did. I swept all of the air bubbles out very thoroughly, make sure there's none, and it's as flat as a sheet of glass up there. So if you are enjoying the video so far, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because we do plenty of these videos that will save you thousands of pounds on installation fees, which is the objective. We've got curb trims to put on now, which also comes with the kit, and some roof trimming off to do, and part 2 of the gutter part trim, the 2-part gutter system trims. And that is the end of another successful build from All Things Garden Buildings. Now, let's talk costings, which is something I promised you at the very beginning of the video. A 44mm log version of this, which is 3 metres by 3 metres with an apex roof, because if you had a flat one, you'd lose the headroom inside. So to keep that, we've gone with a shorter overhang at the front and a longer section at the back. Now, supplied, delivered, anywhere in the UK would be £4,000. The install on this was £550, and that included the VAT. Roof insulation. So we have a warm deck roof, which is the 19mm roof boards, 25mm PIR board, 11mm OSB on the top. We do have a vapor barrier up there too. The roof insulation came in at £600, including VAT. Floor insulation was £300, including that. The rubber, let's talk rubber. So the rubber was £800, including VAT. I am going to do the accurate costings, so make sure you check the description below when you finish watching the video, so you'll be able to see it itemised, broke down. So if you are thinking of having one yourself, you've got the full costings, you know what you're going to spend, and that's a very good price. There are some very expensive companies out there, but you get what you pay for in this industry. There's also some very cheap buildings out there, so don't always go for the cheapest option, because I've heard nothing but horror stories. But anyway, that is the end of the video. We've got a couple of really exciting things coming, one of them being a VS battle between me and my lad Ben. He's also got his own YouTube channel. I'll chuck it in the description so you can subscribe to him if you haven't. Then you'll be able to get both perspectives. So I'm going to build a slightly bigger cabin, he's going to build a slightly smaller cabin, and we're going to see who can get it completed the fastest. So my handicap is the bigger cabins. I've been doing it for 15, 16 years. Ben's been doing it for about 2. So he thinks he's going to beat me. I don't think he's going to. But as again, thank you for watching. Everything's in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.